Yes, Namaskar to all of you. I am Dr. Pallavi Jain from School of Computing Science and Engineering of Galgotias University. I am here to deliver a lecture on the subject of computer graphics. In this slide, in this session, we will study about the overview of graphics system, applications of computer graphics hardware and software. We will study these topics in detail in this lecture. So prerequisite of this lecture is we should know about the good programming skills because the computer graphics implementation will be in C or C++ or Python or in anybody in any high level and low level languages. We should know about the knowledge of basic data structures, list, arrays, geometry, linear algebra and all. Basically all the mathematics. Now the objectives of this course. Computer graphics is responsible for displaying art and imaged data effectively and meaningfully to the consumer. Basically, it comprises all the images, graphics data, development of lines and all, and figures, graphics, images, multimedia, and all. It is also used for processing image data received from physical world such as photo and video content. Now, introduction to interactive computer graphics. Interactive computer graphics nowadays it includes the algorithms for line drawing, circle drawing, ellipse drawing, and character generation, image generation, and all. Mathematics involved in these algorithms for the calculations, software and hardware. It also includes top-down approach, shader-based WebGL 2.0, integrate with HTML5 codes runs in latest browsers derived from OpenGL ES3. Now, what is computer graphics? Is introduction, advantages, and areas of applications. It's all about the production, manipulation, and display of images using computers. Practically, it's about movies. Nowadays, various animated movies and action movies, games, art, training programs, advertising, communication, design, all includes computer graphics in all era of our modern era. Computer graphics involve display, manipulation, data for proper visualization using computer. Generate 2D images of a 3D world represented in a computer. Main tasks involved in this computer graphics are modeling, rendering, and animation. Modeling, what is modeling? Creating and representing the geometry of objects in the 3D world, yani 3D world. Next, rendering, generating 2D images of the objects, two-dimensional images. Animation, describing how objects change in time, yani moving objects. Now, the components of computer graphics. Computer graphics it is a collection of various types of devices and various types of components. 3D geometric data will convert into 2D image through computer light interaction and geometric projection from 3D to 2D. Typical graphical systems consist of host computer with support of fast processor, large storage, and frame buffer. Display devices, these comprises of display devices like monitors, printers, input devices, keyboards, mouse, joystick, etc. And output devices are the printers, plotters, etc. Now the advantages of using computer graphics. If we include graphics in any text, in any website, in any area, our event or our area will be uh, explanative, more explanative, more lively to all of us. So high quality graphics display provide best way to communicate with computer, to communicate with the user. It is possible to produce animation. It can be used to control animation such as speed, total scene in view, how many scenes, yeah, how much total scenes should be in our one scene. It provides facility of update Dynamic, which can be used to change shape, color, and other properties of object in view. With the development in DSP, it can provide audio feedback along with the video. Now the application areas. Everywhere in this world, computer graphics are everywhere. Suppose, for example, computer edit design, presentation graphics, computer art, edu- education and training, visualization, image processing, entertainment, medical field, and GUI. One by one, we will study about these applications. First of all, that is CAD. CAD is computer aided design. This is the major use of computer graphics is in design process, particularly in engineering and architectural systems. In engineering, suppose we design an automobile. In civil engineering, yeah, in electrical engineering, electronics engineering, we define an automobile. We design an architectural system by designing the building. So these type of designs we done through computer graphics more attractively and more effectively. This include design of buildings, automobiles, aircraft, etc. Now presentation graphics. If we want to present our area, our topic in very effective manner, we use charts, pie charts, bar charts and all. So it is used to summarize the financial, mathematical, scientific and economic data. Typical examples are these charts, these types of charts. Now computer art. Nowadays, different computer arts are very famous for their interior designers designing of the home, clothes, pieces, and etc. Artist uses special purpose hardware and programs that provides facilities for designing object shape and specifying object motion. Examples: pixel paint, super paint, etc. Now, in education and training field, we use computer graphics in generated models of physical, financial, and economic system are often used as educational aids. Various kinds of simulator programs provides the training. Suppose automobile driving simulator in virtual reality environment. In virtual reality environment, we use simulators for automobile driving, just like we drive in forest or in snow, etc. In education, we use computer graphics in various types of training programs and all. Next is visualization. Various techniques can be used to represent the large amount of data obtained from scientific, medical, or business analysis. These include color coding, contour plots, graphs, charts, etc. The main application of computer graphics is the entertainment. Computer graphics methods are now commonly used in making motion pictures. You all know about music videos, gaming technology, television shows, web series. Sometimes graphic pictures are displayed by themselves, and someone combined with the actors and live scenes. So that was all about the lecture. The first lecture of computer graphics of School of Computing Science and Engineering of Calcutta University by Dr. Pallavi Jain. Uh, uh, I wanted to be at my audience in my in my upcoming lectures. Hope you will learn a lot from my lectures. Thank you and have a nice day.